Measures of shape. Let's understand measures of shape. Data can be represented graphically. All this while, we looked at data as sets or numbers. Let us now look at the measure of shape of a dataset. Skewness is a measure used to describe the shape of a dataset when presented graphically. In a normal distribution, data is symmetrically distributed, and the skewness is zero as all measures of a central tendency lie in the middle. But what do you do if it is not so? Let's understand this with an example. A quality is characteristic with specification limits 60 to 90. The average of these limits is 75, and it is highly desirable to produce units with that quality characteristic value of 75. This value is the modal value. Exceeding 90 and falling below 60 can be a concern. Moreover, the manufacturing process should ideally be designed so that values below and above 75 by any magnitude are equally likely to occur. In other words, if 75 plus k occurs m times, 75 minus k also occurs m times. The frequency curve will then be symmetric around 75. The arithmetic mean will also be 75. If you look at the empirical relation, mean minus mode equals 3 multiplied by mean minus median. The median is also 75. So generally, for symmetric datasets, the three values are identical. Now consider that the dataset is positively skewed, that is, the frequency curve has a long tail toward the right. The modal value occurs to the left, and as the arithmetic mean is impacted by large values, it will be larger than the mode, and the median will lie in between and closer to the mean. It will be the same when the distribution is skewed to the left, the mode will exceed the median, which in turn will exceed the mean. Therefore, the difference between the mean and the mode indicates the direction and magnitude of skewness. Bowley has given a formula to obtain a dimensionless measure. It is coefficient of skewness equals mean minus mode by standard deviation, which equals 3 multiplied by mean minus median by standard deviation. Depending on the negative or positive deviation, the long tail will be to the left or right.